Hi mga kababayan! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel na nagtuturo ng simple pero importanteng English grammar. Ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin ang subject-verb agreement. Narinig mo na ba ito? She go to school. Mali yan. Pero bakit? Alamin natin ngayon. Sa English, ang verb o action word ay kailangang tugma sa subject. Kung isa lang ang subject, dapat singular din ang verb. Kung marami ang subject, dapat plural ang verb. Tingnan natin ang mga halimbawa. He goes to school. He go to school. Bakit goes? Kasi ang he ay singular. Kapag plural naman, they go to school. They ay plural, kaya hindi lalagyan ng s ang verb. Subject correct, verb example sentence. I go to work. You go to school. He, she goes. She goes to church. We go to the market. They go to town every day. Common mistakes. Narito ang ilang karaniwang pagkakamali. She eat rice every morning. She eats rice every morning. My father work hard. My father works hard. The cat sleep on the sofa. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Makikita natin na kapag singular ang subject, dapat may s sa verb. Kapag plural, walang s. Practice time, subukan nating sagutin ito. Tama ba o mali? My friends plays basketball. Or, answer, my friends play basketball. Plural, she drive a car. Or, answer, she drives a car. We eat lunch at 12. Or, answer, we eat lunch at 12. Maganda kung araw-araw ninyo itong ginagamit para masanay. Easy tip to remember, para mas madali. Kung isa ang subject, lagyan ng s ang verb. Kung marami ang subject, huwag lagyan ng s. Tagalog version, pag isa lang, lagyan ng s. Pag marami, huwag lagyan ng s. Ayan! Natapos natin ang lesson tungkol sa subject-verb agreement. I-practice lang ito araw-araw para mas tumatak sa isip. Kung may gusto pa kayong matutunan, comment lang kayo. Huwag kalimutan i-like, subscribe at share para sa iba pa nating grammar lessons. Next video, is, am, are. Kailan ito ginagamit? Let me know if you'd like this turned into a PowerPoint-style script or if you're ready for the next script, like there is, there are, with Bisaya or Tagalog translations.